I know I'm a little late. Been a little busy, y'all. Been a little crazy busy right now. But yeah, for the new people who join the group, go back to my old videos all the way back. It ain't too far back. I just made this group, so go all the way back. I kind of break videos a lot more down in detail in the videos because now I'm pretty much teaching people how I trade, actually step by step how I trade now. So if you gotta get on YouTube and look at a couple of basic videos, look at them. Get any questions, inbox me. I don't mind answering them. But yeah, once y'all learn the basic stuff and know what you're looking at, y'all can catch up with me. And let's get this money, man, for real. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this breakdown of my trade that I did Christmas Eve. This is the same thing that I do every single day. You can go back to my videos. Y'all can see the same exact thing that I do every single day. A lot of gurus on YouTube or wherever you go gonna make it real complicated. It's gonna make it look like it's so complicated, but it's not. It's actually very simple. So I pay all my mentors. I pay for courses, everything. So to get here, to have the knowledge that I have. So I'm trying to just teach this stuff to everybody else, y'all, because it's simple, and a lot of people don't even understand that this stuff is simple and it can change your life, man. Like, for real. We've been trapped in this matrix trying to figure out, money, this, money. Actually, man, you can print your own money with this stuff. Like, it's really that simple. And I know it don't look simple to you right now. It is a process to learn this stuff, and a lot of psychological stuff that you got to go through learning this stuff, but you can master it. I'm just thankful to be here to know how to do it and teach others, man. So let's get to it. But like I said, it's real simple. The way I'm doing it right now, don't make it complicated. Just look at it, do it the way I'm doing it every single time. Don't get confused with the people on YouTube. Just do it like this every single time. And I promise you, it will change. All right, so every day I come to the market on my 45-minute time frame. Okay. All right, you gotta have a support, resistance, and a trend line on your chart. A support, a resistance, and a trend line on your chart. So you gotta manually put these in. All right, manually put them in just like that. See how I'm trapping the market now. So I have a little zone right here. Just this little zone right here is what I'm looking at. I'm not worried about all this over here and back there other days. I just need 2 days, 2 or 3 days in my time view, and I'm good. All right, let's get out of it. All right. Yeah, that's all I need. All right, so I need a support zone at the bottom. That's at the bottom. A resistance at the top. And you need a trend line. Okay. This is my trend line. From your trend line, gotta go from your support zone to your resistance zone. But it also have to hit the market, like right there. See how I'm tapping on that line right here? I'm tapping it right here. That wick right there. You cannot have a trend line without tapping it. That's why the trend line is there, because of that market. All right, so you see the trend line. You're going to see why this is very important to have a trend line, a support zone, and all that. You got to have it. It's nowhere around that. That is the market, okay? That's the secret sauce right there. Pay attention to that, please. That's the sauce. I'm giving it to you right now. Trust me. All the gurus and stuff that taught me this stuff, I had to catch on to this stuff. They told me, but it was telling me in other words and different formulas and all that, instead of just making it clear. But yeah, this is the formula. All right. Once you see it, I got support, resistance, trend line, right? All right. The market can only do 3 things. Okay. It can go up, break this structure right here, go up, break structure, and go up. That's 1. It can consolidate, meaning it won't do shit all day. Just go up and down, fucking with your head all day. That's sideways, right? Or it can break this trend line and go down. Run down a little bit. And this is money. This is money. This right here, you're going to take L's. This shit is not money. You can get money off that, but you're going to be going up and down, driving yourself crazy. All right, let's move on. Like I said, the market can only do three things: up trend, down trend, and consolidate, which is sideways. Don't worry about what it's doing behind you, and all just move forward, right? All right. It's all about the money. Okay. Get all this shit off. All right, so let's see what happened. All right, when the things start lighting up great, that's a New York session. Right here is a New York session. This is a New York session. This whole gray zone from 9 o'clock to 4:30. That's a New York session. That's why it's lit up like that. It's just my little indicator that shows me that it lights up when the market is opening. All right, so the market's about to open, and what am I looking for? Breaker structure, which is that trend line. I mean this resistance zone, this trend line, or way down here. And no damn way ain't gonna way down there, right? All right, cause we up here, so we focus on this part. If it break structure to the upside, that's a good trade. If it break this trend line to the downside, or it's gonna just consolidate. That's it. Had to redo that, y'all. All right. Hope y'all catching that. It's a big gem, I'm telling you. All right, let's see what happened, y'all. All right. Boom. Off the trend line. Y'all got to see why these trend lines and support and resistance zone are very, very, very important. Look at that. Boom. You see that? It's tapping. Pretty much off the trend line. All right. It broke what? Structure. It broke structure. See how I broke this structure? That's what I mean. Break structure mean go through it. You know, it went through it. Now, if I didn't have these lines in place, what would I be looking at? Just looking at it going up. Don't know why. Don't know what's going on. But yeah, it broke structure. You'll see why. All right, now I don't want to get in yet. I'm waiting on my gray zone to light up so I can say, okay, the market is open. All right. Okay, the market is open. All right, did you see that? Did y'all see that right there? Good God, that was beautiful. It went up, broke structure, it came back and tapped into what? My damn trend line and went back up. I put that trend line right there. I put that right there. Did you see that? See how I tapped right there on my trend line? That's why I said those trend lines, support, resistance zones are important. Can't nobody tell you how to do that part but you. But yeah, it broke structure, came back, tapped into my trend line, and I got in. A long position, I hit buy. Once it started going, breaking back, it went up, came back down, tapped into my trend, went back up, broke structure again, and then I got in. I wanted to risk about $200. That's all you can risk, how much you want to risk. I want to gain up here about $1,000, all right? It can be whatever you put in. It ain't got to be this, and ain't got to be that. Everybody's different, but I risked my $200, and if it go past that red zone right there, it just kicks me out. Or you can lose $50, you can lose $20, you can lose $10, you can lose $5. But if it go back down past that zone, then it automatically kicks me out, and I'm just out of the trade. I'm not messing with it anymore for today, all right? But that's another video on risk management and how y'all, supposed to manage that part and how much you supposed to be risking and how much you're not supposed to be risking. But yeah, all right, put that there. I got in, my stop loss, and my TP was 100 ticks. I got in the trade. It's going up. TP hits. Boom. And that's it. And I got out of the trade for the day. And that trade probably lasts about good 30 minutes. But yeah, that's what it was, y'all. Broken structure. Went up to the upside. Did pretty good. And that's how you make money right there in the market. That fast. This right here. That little move right there. Every single day. But yeah, y'all, that's the video. Y'all got any questions? If I left anything out, I'll inbox me, whatever you gotta do.